Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to poach an egg. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need very fresh eggs, a pot that's at least 6 inches deep, and a slotted spoon. Fresh eggs are key for a beautiful, compact shape, so try to use the freshest ones you can find. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's prepare the water. Fill your pot with about 3 inches of water. Add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites set quickly and hold their shape. Bring the water to a gentle simmer, where you see small bubbles forming, but it's not boiling vigorously. A rolling boil can break the egg apart, so keep it calm. It's time to poach. Crack each egg individually into a small bowl or ramekin. This makes it easier to gently slide the egg into the simmering water. Carefully lower the bowl close to the water's surface and let the egg slide out. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly runny yolk, or a little longer if you prefer it firmer. Once cooked to your liking, carefully remove the poached egg with your slotted spoon. Let any excess water drain off for a moment. Place it on your plate, season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground pepper, and serve immediately. It's delicious on toast, avocado, or even in a salad. And hey, if you're into meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.